How to record a Zoom meeting. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Zoom application from your device, and let's go ahead and get into a meeting. Once you're in the Zoom meeting, it will look something like this, and you might also see other members. Now, in order to record this meeting, click onto More option, and here you can click on to record. You can also use Alt plus R key in order to record it.
Recording in progress.
And now this is how you can record your screen. You can also pause it. This
Recording
will pause your
stopped.
recording, and if you would like to save it, then click onto this box icon. Just like so, this is how you can do it. And you can find this file in your file explorer. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.